got to L in London's World of Food and A to Z, and we've come to a new restaurant called Meza.
I have a lovely small Lebanese restaurant. It's 5 tables only, so the feeling is like at home. We do traditional Lebanese food, the way we've been brought up. Lebanese people are very hospitable. You might bump into somebody on the street and you chat to have a cup of coffee with him. He will invite you home and tell you come and have lunch with us. And this is what the culture is about, actually. The culture, the wine, the food, how people they are, and because sometimes people have wrong ideas about others, or basically they don't see the real thing. Actually, that's what we brought into Tutenbeck, actually. And there is a lack of somebody offering something different. There's lots of curry houses, but there's something Lebanese. We are very casual, but at the same time we have a bit of service in there. The food quality is really high, and we're serving things that we really, really like, and the way we like it ourselves.
You're working incredibly hard. What keeps you going at this?
Keeps you going. The only thing that keeps us thriving and going and doing all these 15 hours days, 7 days a week sometimes, is the love of what we're doing, actually. For the love of food, love of hospitality.
Some more laden plates are arriving. What's this one here?
This one aubergine.
What, does it have a name in?
Makdous.
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 In the other plates we have baba ganoush and a mountain of falafel, and then some phyllo pastry with spinach and halloumi cheese inside. Beautifully colourful is the Lebanon, which is the lovely white cheese with some deep red pomegranate seeds and a really generous bundle of fresh mint. I need to stop speaking and start eating.
Grilled chicken on the charcoal will be marinated for 24 hours.
What's it been marinated in? What's the magic?
I can't tell you.
The topical joke about Lebanese cheese as an expert food critic. What did the cheese say when it looked in the mirror? Halloumi!